Let us name the stages of mitosis. As you see the first image, can you make out which stage does it resemble? Well, I hope you are guessing it right, but let me give you some hints for this. You can see that the chromosomes are appearing like this, right? So, when do the chromosomes appear like this? See, obviously they are at the equatorial line, they are just going to separate, but these are sister chromatids. Why? Because we initially made the chromosomes like this. They had two arms, right? But this, after replication or duplication of the centromere, form these chromatids like structures, right? So, what is going to happen? These chromatids have centromeres and they are attached with the spindle fiber and they are just about to go back towards the poles. So, when the chromosomes are ready to go back towards the poles, since they have not got back, actually they are just preparing themselves to go back. So, this stage is which stage? It is the early anaphase stage, okay. Remember, anaphase means back stage. So, this is just beginning of the anaphase stage, that is why we call it as early anaphase stage. Make the next guess. What do you see in this image? What does this cell shows? Do you see any of the cell division? Can you see any chromosome like structures? So, what can it be? This is the interphase, when there is no cell division. This is the resting phase of the cell, when the cell is synthesizing all the components required for cell division. Next, now see there are two centrioles, mean the centrioles have replicated and they are just beginning to move towards the poles to release what? Spindle fibers. And you can see that chromatin is arranging itself in the form of chromosomes. It is just begin. So, this stage is the early prophase stage during mitosis. Next you see that now we have chromosomes of this structure. Means there are no sister chromatids. This type of structure of chromosome is there and they have all aligned at the equator. They have all aligned at the equatorial line of the cell and this is the middle. Remember, M for middle and M for metaphase stage. You are right, this is a metaphase stage of mitosis. Then, as you can see now that the cells are just going to separate, we are just going to have two daughter cells. The chromosomes have aligned towards the poles and they each have a centriole. Which stage is this? This is the early telophase, means the cytokinesis has just begun. The cytoplasm is just going to separate, as you can see a cleavage furrow. Next, we move on to the next slide. Now, here can you see that the chromosomes are visible and the esters have radiated some fibers, that are which fibers? Spindle fibers. And the spindle fibers have attached themselves to this region. Which region is this? This is the centromere region. And this stage is the late prophase stage, right? Then in this you must have noticed that we have two daughter nuclei, and when this karyokinesis, that is the division of nucleus, is complete, this is the late telophase stage, means this is advanced cytokinesis. Because you see that in case of early telophase stage we were having cleavage furrow which was very minimal. But now in advanced cytokinesis stage you have a deeper cleavage furrow and the nucleus has separated into two daughter nuclei. This is the late telophase stage. Next, this is the mid prophase stage, because when you go in for early prophase, what is happening? These centrioles have just started to move towards the pole. When we were talking about late prophase, see the alignment of chromosomes, right? They are randomly aligned, they are attached to spindle fibers. But in this stage, there is no random alignment, the spindle fibers are there, but it is no proper structure that is visible like this, right? So, we can call this stage as mid prophase. So, this you need to recall everything which you have learnt earlier to answer these questions. The next stage, as you can see, is the sister chromatids. You are going to see the sister chromatids like this, right? So they are moving towards a pole. They have started moving towards a pole, which says that this is a late anaphase stage. After this, we'll have telophase, and then we'll have cytokinesis. So let us recall everything, that when the chromosome like structures are present in this form or this form, this happens during the anaphase stage, because the centromere duplicates and form these sister chromatids. Now based on your observation, you can make out whether it is early anaphase or late anaphase, and you can also make out whether the prophase is early prophase, it is mid prophase, or it is late prophase. So please this concept should be very clear to you when you answer these questions. Look at the image very carefully and then just make out what do you see in the image and which stage of mitosis is being shown to you, and then answer. I hope this will definitely help you in answering the questions. So make your concepts very clear, draw these diagrams and just recall the stage of mitosis and learn it well.